Today we will learn how to create a text mask photo edit in Adobe Photoshop. First, open Adobe Photoshop and select the lasso tool. After selecting, create and refine your selection, then click OK. Apply adjustment layer. Next, go to the adjustment layer option and select black and white. A new dialog box will open. Adjust the color combination using the red, yellow, and green sliders until the image looks balanced. Set foreground color. Set the foreground color to black and white. 4. Use the brush tool. Select the brush tool. Then go to the mode and choose darken. Adjust the brush size as per your requirement. Carefully color the lips or the part you want to highlight. Now choose the horizontal type tool and type the desired text. For example, I'll write love. Select a font that matches your design. I'll use an extra bold font to make it stand out. Go to the Layers panel, create a new group, and name it Group 1. Open Group 1 and delete the mask layer inside it. Right-click on Group 1 and select Merge Group to combine all the layers inside it. Create a clipping mask. Right-click on the text layer and select Blending Options, Stroke. In the new dialog box, set the fill type to Color and choose White. Click OK. Use the pen tool for enhancements. Select the pen tool and draw over parts of the image that need enhancement. After drawing, right-click and select Make Selection. Go back to Group 1, right-click and choose Invert. Click OK. Final adjustments. Open the black and white properties again and adjust the sliders to fine-tune the color balance. Make sure the image looks cohesive and visually appealing. Finishing touches. Carefully refine any areas that need adjustment to give the image a professional finish. And that's it. Your text mask photo edit is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.